Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media. Top New Collection CCTV AC/DC Adapter 12V Review 2025. Number 4. The 12V5A 8-port CCTV power supply box provides efficient and centralized power for up to 8 cameras. Ideal for surveillance systems, it ensures stable voltage, reduces cable clutter, and enhances safety. Perfect for home or commercial CCTV setups requiring consistent, reliable power distribution. Number 3. Fit Machine Model SAD Smiley only list part of all the fit model for Fortigate, Fortinet AD036RAB, FTN3, FGR60D, 30E or 3G4G, 30E, for Fortinet, Fortigate 60D, for Forti Wi-Fi, Forti Wi-Fi 30E, for FSP, Fortigate 60E, FGR60D or BDL. Number 2. This AC to DC 12V5A 60W power adapter offers reliable, low-cost performance for 50/50 for 3528 SMD LED strips, LCD monitors, or CCTV systems. Its stable output ensures consistent power delivery, while the compact design makes installation easy for various electronic and lighting applications. Number 1. Product sell points: AC adapter meaning British Power Adapter Universal Compatibility, supports US, AU, EU, and UK plug standards, ensuring global use for your CCTV system. Efficient conversion: converts 110V AC to 12V DC with 90% efficiency, ensuring stable power supply for your cameras. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.